Hey guys.
Subscribe to our channel to never miss a video on CAT and the other management exams only by Topmytest.
Right. This is a question which came in ZAT previously. It says a ladder 7.6 meters long is standing against a wall, and the distance between the wall and the base of the ladder is 6.4 meter. The top of the ladder now slips by 1.2 meter. Then the foot of the ladder slips by approximately how much? Okay. So first, the ladder is in a position like this. Let me just. Okay. It's in a position like this. Right. So this is a right angle triangle. This is 7.6. This is 6.4. Right. We don't know this height. Then it becomes a position like this. It slips by 1.2 meters. Right. This is the case. Right. So you need to find how much is this distance. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, let's take 0.4 common. If I take 0.4 common, this will be 19, this will be 16. So this part will be square root of 19 square minus 16 square. 19 square is 361. This will be 256. So approximately 10. So this height will be approximately 4. Now it slips by 1.2. So this will become 2.8. Again, let's take 0.4 common. Right, if I take 0.4 common, this will be 19, this will be 7, this will be square root of 19 square minus 7 square. 19 square is 361 minus 49. Square root will be about 315. Approximate, it is between 17 and 18. So when you multiply by 0.4, this will be between 6.8 to 7.2, right? So it will be somewhere in between, right? So from 6.4 it has become here. So the answer should be between 0.4 and 0.8, but it cannot be 0.8, cannot be 0.4, right? This is the best answer possible. Right, so option B is your correct choice. That finishes this one.